Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gaming with Shoki. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And today we are going to play the level number 8 of Brain Out game. So the question is, wake up the owl. Okay, there is a tree and one owl is sitting on it. What we'll have to do? We have to wake up the owl. Let's think how we can wake up this owl. There is sun as well. Oh, you have to use your brain here. What we'll have to do? As you know, owl always wake up in the night. Owl never wake up in the day. So we have to remove the sun from here. I think so. How we will remove it? How we can remove it? We try to shake this tree. No, it doesn't work. Um, how this sun will go? I don't know. I'll have to try. But anyhow, hey owl, please wake up. The sun has gone. Your time has come to wake up. Please wake up. How the sun will go? I'm trying. It's really difficult for me. I have tried so many times. I know the owl doesn't wake up in the morning, in the daytime. Owl always wake up in the night. So we have to wake up the owl, and as per the picture we can see here, it's the time of morning because the sun is rising and there is a tree. So how the owl will wake up? We have to create a night scene here, then the owl will wake up. How the night will come, I don't know. Sun, please go. Let wake up the owl. How this will go? This sun is not going. I'm just trying, I'm just trying, I'm just trying, I'm just trying and trying and trying. But the sun is not going. What may be the other way to wake up this owl? I'm trying to shaking this tree, but it's not moving, it's not shaking. I'm trying to click on this owl, but it's not waking up. Now I'll try to. As I have tried so many times, but as we know, the answer is somewhere in this sun. But I really don't know how to solve this. Can anyone please help me? I know that when there will be night, this all will wake up. But I don't know how to create a night scene here, how to remove this sun. We have to remove this sun. I think so. Then the all will wake up automatically. As we know, when the sun arises, it's come on the top, and in evening sun comes down. So what we can do, from top we are trying to down the sun, but it's not going, it's not going, it's not going. Oh, it has gone. Great, you have genius brain. It was really difficult. Thank you for watching this.